This is a simple fact. Being able to make amazing video will help every aspect of your business. You can create better content videos for your website that mean people see you as more of an authority, even if the information is the same as everybody else. You can get more subscribers on YouTube, you can get more shares on Facebook, and you can charge clients more money. Top-end videographers can charge up to hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars an hour. That's far more than you'll ever get from selling animations. The fact is, having the skill to create videos, rather than relying on a template or software or anything like that, is always in high demand because just so few people can actually do it well. Things are always more valuable when they're rare, and this is very, very rare. And that's because it usually takes so long to learn. There's basically two options. You could pay $10,000 for private tuition or a live course, and this is the fast version. You'll get someone to show you how it works rather than have to go through the trial and error. Or you can do what I did and spend over 20 years working it out for yourself. But for a very short time, you've got the opportunity of a lifetime. For just the next few days, I'm offering my entire playbook. Everything that I know, everything I've taught myself over these past 22 years can be yours. This is Fade to Black. Fade to Black is tons and tons of hours of content with PDF transcripts, worksheets, and everything else you need to become a world-class videographer and have clients lining up, fighting to be the ones who have you on their project. This is as close as you can ever come to me teaching you personally. You'll discover the what, the why, and the how of creating the kind of video that will leave your viewers amazed and your competitors wishing they could do it as well as you. You'll see the secrets of creating a punch-in-the-gut emotional script, even if you don't think you've got anything to talk about. You'll see how to frame the perfect shot so your videos always look as good on your screen as they do in your head. You'll see how to construct heart-thumping musical sequences and use a whole ton of camera effects. And not only that, you'll see the perfect 7-step editing flow I use on every video, including this one. In fact, you'll see how to do everything you've seen in this video as part of the course. I've even added a making of for this exact video as a case study. So if you've seen something here that you like, you'll discover exactly how it was done. All the content is delivered in videos, which are short and to the point. So you'll never need to search through a 2-hour webinar or something like that to find what you need. Most of the videos cover just one single topic, so you can just choose the one you need. And on top of that, you'll get PDF transcripts of everything. So if you prefer reading to watching, you can do that and go through the course at your own pace. Everything you need is here, whether you're making videos for your own business or whether you'll be charging hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars to your clients. So this is offered to you at an incredible deal, but there is a catch, and this is important. See, we had two options when we priced this. We could have priced this at $1,000 or $997, which is still fantastic value for the amount of material in the course and the huge amount of opportunities you'll get from having this skill. Compared to a $10,000 live course, I'd say that's pretty good. But still, that means it's only available to people who are already doing well. And we didn't want that because I remember how having this skill helped me when I was broke and I had absolutely nothing. And I want everyone to have that same chance and opportunity. So we're not going to charge $997 or $497 or anything else with 3 digits. If you click below right now, you can get everything in Fade to Black for just $47. But this offer will only be live for the next 4 days. After that, we're taking it off the market completely. In 4 days, it won't matter how much money you've got, whether you've got $997 or $9997. Fade to Black will be unavailable. That means this is an amazing offer, but you need to act now. Because if you miss this, it'll be gone forever, and it won't matter how badly your business needs to up its video game. The doors will be closed. But right now, you can hit that button below this video and get everything, the videos, the worksheets, the PDFs, transcripts, and get it all for just $47. And in fact, you can get even more than that, because I'm also going to throw in the desk sessions. Now, the desk sessions is where you get to watch me create a series of projects live. You can look over my shoulder as I run through the whole editing process, so you're not just getting how to edit, but you can actually see it happen in real time. You can get it all now and get it entirely risk-free because the whole thing is covered by your 30-day guarantee. If you change your mind, if you decide it's not for you, one simple email to our support team will get your whole investment back. And that means all you can do here is win. You can make incredible video, grow your blog, get more subscribers, make more sales, make more money, do whatever matters to you most. Just hit the button below now and Fade to Black can take you there.